High Five Red. Here's another quick video on some maths coming from the white part of the learning grid. And it reads, I multiplied two consecutive numbers, example 20, 21, or 7, 8, etc. And the answer was between 50 and 240. What could my equation have been? Now it says list 10 possible equations with answers. So let's have another look at the information that we are provided. Now our answers must be between 50 and 240. That is what we call the range. Okay. And to be successful, we need to have at least 10 possible or 10 equations. Now you might be thinking, oh, what's consecutive again? What does that mean? What does that word mean again? Now consecutive means simply numbers that follow each other. Okay, so the likes of, well, let's start with the obvious. 1, 2, 3, 4, obviously are consecutive, they follow each other. 79, 80, 81, etc. will be considered consecutive. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now, you might be thinking, what's he up to here? So these ones are considered not consecutive, as you'll be probably thinking also. They do not follow each other. This would be counting by twos, where we are actually skip counting, and we're in fact missing a number, obviously. So this is not consecutive. Okay, so now we've gotten past that, let's move on to our task. Okay, so this task requires you to use your multiplication knowledge and your times tables, but also perhaps the problem solving strategy of trial and error. So basically you have to try some things out and see if you can get a little bit closer to what we really need. So if we start at the very basics, let's go 1 times 2. These numbers are both consecutive, but of course our number is not going to be anywhere near our range. So this is not an equation we can use. What about 3 times 4? Oh, you should know the answer to that. 3 times 4, 3 and 4 is consecutive, and the answer is 12. So we're getting a little bit closer, but still not there. Let's take a bit of a jump. Let's go to 10 times 11. Are these numbers consecutive? Yes, they are. And of course, our number is 110. Now, 110, let's look at this. Is it within our range of 50 to 240? Yes, it is. So this could be one of our combinations. Okay, let's try one more. What about we drop it down a little bit? Let's go 7 times 8. And 7 and 8 are both consecutive. 7 times 8 is, I heard some people call it out, 56. Now, is 56 between 50 and 240? Yes, it is. So this could be another one of our equations. Now, I'm actually going to lock these two combinations up, and I have the key. So we can't be using these two. I want you to find 10 of your own. I know you can do it. Use your knowledge, put that thinking cap on, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with.